Alright, where's my hat? Yesterday I did a cold start video with the Decibel X application that I put on my iPhone, and it had a peak, as you'll see, a peak cold start volume of 103.3 decibels. And then I put it in the Jeep and did some drives with it, but somehow in the middle of it I messed up the overlay, so it wasn't tracking the peak. All I was getting was real time, which isn't that real. It's a little bit delayed, so I think it's missing some high points. So we're gonna do it again, but I'm gonna show you real quick what I did. I'm just having fun with this, so I'll show you where I put the microphones and how we're doing it. I've got a Rode microphone right here in my headrest, you can see. And let me just take that off since I'm in the Jeep. That's how I'm catching the sound. It's just close to where I said as I think I can get. And then the camera mount on top of the Lowrance and the camera mount on top of the dash. And I just run the cables down and plug it into the iPhone. I think I'm gonna do it again. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. So I messed up the overlay yesterday. Okay, I'm out on Elm Street. In 7th gear doing 45, 8th gear doing 45, 1500 RPMs. Go. That was 75. I don't know how it came out on audio, but man, it sounds good in here. Set the cruise at 65, and this is cruising speed 65. Just perfect. Love the tone, love the sound. I don't know, it's gonna be hard, I think, for Spin Tech or of course to beat this, but I think it's gonna be fun just to see.